Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2020 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power lift gate, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.